The first step to installing a pressurized welding enclosure is to build a supporting structure, such as temporary scaffolding. Modular panels are then assembled using high-strength Velcro connections to form the roof. Window panels are used to maximize natural lighting. Side panels are added and sealed around all penetrations to the enclosure. Ventilation panels provide access ports for pressurization and air exchange. An aluminum frame door is added as primary means for personnel access. A centrifugal intake blower is located in a non-classified area and attached via ductwork to provide clean, fresh air. An extracting blower ensures that the atmosphere inside the enclosure is fully exchanged a minimum of every 5 minutes. The completed enclosure is now ready for entry. With the personnel access door shut, all types of hot work can be safely executed inside the enclosure. Blowers maintain a positive pressure overbalance inside the PWE. Hot work is performed in a controlled, monitored environment. Loss of pressure or compromise of ventilation disables all hot work and activates alarms inside the enclosure and at the ASO alarm console. Critical to the success of any pressurized welding enclosure is maintaining a positive pressure overbalance inside the enclosure. Unplanned actions, such as inadvertently opening the access door, will lower the internal pressure to less than 0.05 and activate all components of the arc-safe system. All ignition sources are disabled while ventilation continues so worker can safely exit the enclosure. Our typical PWE requires only 2 qualified workers to assemble and disassemble the modular components. All components are reusable, thus eliminating waste. Safe Arc pressurized welding enclosures will significantly reduce your production downtime while creating a safe welding environment.